Did you know that slow movements can significantly boost your flexibility and muscle strength? Research shows that performing exercises at a slower pace allows for better muscle engagement and control. This means fewer injuries and greater benefits. Slowing down your workout can make a huge difference. It allows you to focus on proper form and technique. By paying attention to each movement, you can avoid unnecessary strain and maximize your efforts. This approach is particularly beneficial for those looking to improve their overall strength and flexibility. Start by incorporating slow movements into your daily exercises. Focus on the quality of your movements rather than the quantity. Slow movements are crucial for maintaining a strong and balanced body. They help improve muscle coordination and balance. By slowing down, you become more aware of your body's position and movement. This awareness is essential for preventing injuries and enhancing performance. Moving slowly allows for better muscle engagement around the joints, providing them with more stability and support. This is especially important for older adults or those recovering from injuries. Slow movements stretch and lengthen the muscles, improving overall flexibility. Focusing on your movements and breathing can be meditative, leading to improved mental health and a greater sense of well-being. Fitness challenges are a common hurdle for many. Some struggle with consistency, while others face issues with technique. Slow movements can address these challenges effectively. They provide a manageable pace that allows for better focus and consistency. Fast, uncontrolled movements can lead to strains and sprains. Slow movements promote better form and control, reducing the risk of injuries. With slow movements, progress may be gradual, but it's sustainable. They provide a sense of accomplishment with each controlled movement, helping maintain a regular fitness routine. Section 4. 5 Essential Slow Exercises. Let's explore 5 slow exercises that target different muscle groups. These exercises will help you build full body strength and flexibility. 1. Slow squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body slowly, keeping your back straight. Hold for a few seconds and rise slowly. This targets your thighs, hips, and glutes. 2. Slow push-ups. Begin in a plank position. Lower your body slowly, keeping your elbows close to your body. Pause and push back up slowly. This works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. 3. Slow lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your body slowly. Section 5. Benefits of slow movements and conclusion. Each slow movement has unique benefits. Slow squats enhance lower body strength and stability. Push-ups improve upper body strength and endurance. Lunges enhance balance and leg strength. Planks strengthen the core, and bicep curls build arm muscles. In conclusion, slow movements are essential for a balanced fitness routine. Embrace the power of slow movements and transform your fitness journey